Joining us via Zoom this morning, we have Dr. Catherine Leisinger, a pediatrician at Billings Clinic. Good morning. Thank you so much for being here with us today. I wanted to jump right into the conversation. The doctors are seeing a trend when it comes to youth vaccinations. What's going on right now?
All over the country, pediatricians are observing a definite decrease in the number of kids that are coming in for vaccines. A recent study out of Michigan showed a 22% decrease this month over last year, this same time. It's quite concerning.
And this is all because of the pandemic. This trend all started with the pandemic. So why is it concerning, especially right now as we start to transition into those reopening phases?
Right. So several of the vaccine preventable illnesses are highly contagious, such as measles, and it takes just a small drop of the vaccination rates to really start to see pockets of those diseases start to spread. And as we all come together, we know that's what spreads disease, and it can becoming quite concerning as those young kids that are most susceptible are being under-vaccinated.
And now let's talk about those parents who, are seeing the news and they're like, well, I don't want to go to a hospital. I don't want to go to a clinic because while we're there, what if my child picks up something there? But you guys are taking some pretty big precautions to make sure they stay safe and healthy when they come for those vaccination visits. Tell us about that.
Right. So if anybody hasn't been to our clinic in a while, it does look drastically different. We've put up barriers so that the sick kids are separate from the well visits. Everybody is screened at the front door. All patients and parents are asked to wear a mask as long as the kids are over 2. And anybody with respiratory illness is not seen on our well side. We're still seeing sick kids, but it's a separate time by a completely separate staff in a separate area. There's extra disinfectants being used, and again, making sure that everybody is trying to stay as healthy as possible on the well side.
All right. Well, Dr. Leisinger, thank you so much for taking the time to discuss this with us this morning. I know those vaccines are super important, so parents have no need to worry and they can get on the phone and make those appointments ASAP, right?
This is a great time to do it.
All right. Well, thank you so much for being here with us this morning. We do appreciate it. You have a good rest of your day.
Thank you.
Thanks. We'll be right back after this break.